Hi, this is Marty from Aerial Liquid. I'm out at a local park, gonna fly my DJI Avata 2. Just ran into a pole using turtle mode here. I'm gonna pop it back up. All right. Here we go. Start her back up again. Do a little control check here, left, right, forward, backwards. This is the name of the park in Lockport here. Grossi Park. See if I can keep away from the pole. The plaque reads, "To honor and preserve the memory of those Marines who gave their lives in World War II." Wonder if I can put it into acro mode or easy acro mode. Let's see. Oh, kind of looks like easy acro mode is not available with the FPV Controller 3. Did it again. Turtle mode is a useful thing from what I'm getting. And I'm done. Now, that was using the FPV goggles and the Motion Controller 3. Really the first time flying it with the Motion Controller. No, not really Motion Controller 3, the FPV Controller 3. So that was all the other flights I was using the Motion Controller 3. And yeah, the FPV 3 controller is definitely a nice controller, nice add-on. Got to get used to it. Thank you.